Hi, I'm Pabsy Pabalan. Have you ever thought about what your ID does for you? Many of us often have one. Here at the World Bank IMF annual meetings, I even have two. But more than 1.5 billion people around the world lack any form of ID. That means they have no way to access social benefits. They can't even open a bank account. I heard there's some good news, so let's find out how a universal identification system creates opportunities for all. Hi everybody, I'm now with Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India. So thank you, Doctor, for joining us. So Doctor, please tell us how the system works and what has it done for India?
This identification system was launched about 6 years back. We had 1.2 billion people, 640,000 villages, 35 different states, and 70% of people did not have any credible ID. Before government or any department gives any service, the first question is asked who you are and how do you prove that, right? So this identity is based on the biometrics. We collect all 10 fingerprints, iris, plus certain basic demographics like a name, address, age, gender, and a photograph. Then I have this identity is generated and sent by post to the resident at the address, at his or her address. This identity is also available online.
Okay.
If one loses this ID, then one can go to the internet anytime and then enter his number and can download and print it. This is not a smart card, right? Because it is just a paper card which has been laminated, and this is an ID which is now available to 1.06 billion people.
Why is it so important for the poor to have an ID?
The rich or the privileged, he already will have several other forms of ID. For example, he will have a driver license, he will have a passport, or he will have a voter ID or several other IDs through which he can be identified. He will have a credit card, he will have a debit card. So he has already several IDs, so he may not feel the pinch of the problem. But a poor who may not have any of these IDs, and now if that and if he wants to avail any service, how does he prove himself that he is the person who needs this service? And for him, ID is very, very important. And not only that, this verification facility is also to be very important, so that he is able to confirm his identity online and receive all the services online at his doorstep.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Doctor. I mean, I take my IDs for granted, so this is very interesting.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.